Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the Claude code with the Kimi and the comparison between both. Yes, because on some side, the Kimi K2.5 costs almost 10% on what Opus costs. But it's like the quality is not on a level because yes, they say the benchmark is like better for Kimi. But for me, at least, the is like the Claude is still a beast. And I don't really trust the benchmarks because the benchmark is one thing, but actually like using it for yourself, it's a complete different thing. So that's just like my perspective on it, because yes, with Kimi you got like open source. I don't know if it's like supported by China, but don't get tricked by this kind of like always overhyped YouTubers that make like, oh my god, it's like it's going to destroy Claude, right? It's like, so sometimes it's better comparing to Opus, that's for sure. But most of the time is like many times the Opus is better than Kimi. So the Chinese models many times they focus on the benchmarks, but the like Anthropic focuses more on the real world task performance. So this is something to be aware of. But of course, it's like when it's open source, it's like very good because you get 1 out of 10 price is very significant. And you get like privacy focused premise deployment, so that's very good. And but like the model requires also a lot of RAM, so that's something to be aware of too. But yeah, it's not bad at all, but I wouldn't really say that, it's like a very insane comparing to Cloud Code. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.